Alright everybody, so I stopped by my local Academy Sports, where I'm in the car right now, and I found this. 100 cartridges for 223 steel case from Monarch. Monarch is becoming my new favorite company because they're more available than Tula at Academy Sports. At least where I am, you know, Tula might be more available to you, but it's cheap ammunition to feed your training. This is all 55 grain. It comes in a big box. You get the bag, and this whole thing was like $29. It costs the same thing as if you bought each box individually, but you get this cool MOLLE bag along with it. So that's just you know, that's just a little tip for you guys. If you want to get a little bit more bang for your buck, at least you get a little bit of free gear from our friends at Monarch. Looking inside, it's all, I thought these were individual small boxes. This is just like one big giant box in here. The back has your usual attachments here. I'll open this one up just so you can read, you know, warning for blah blah blah, made in Russia and distributed by Academy. So honestly, the Monarch brand is good. You get more for your dollar, you know, at least you get this. They also have these MOLLE pouch packs in 9mm, 380, and I believe 7.62 by 39. So I mean, they've got their calibers covered. I really wish this came in 308. But it didn't. But no worries, because I picked up 308 too. These are a bit more expensive. It's $10 a box, but it is one of the cheapest 308 I can find around, if not the cheapest. Because let me tell you, shooting this gets real expensive, so I'm real glad they have these $10 boxes. So that's it for now, guys. Just hop on over to your local Academy Sports. Tell them you support Monarch, because I want them to keep importing this stuff. You know, if these don't sell well, shooters like you and me who don't have a lot of money can't go out shooting, training, getting our skills in. So that's it for now, guys. Everyone be safe out there, and I'll see you later.